This lecture is all about how you can use Canva. If you don't know about Canva, Canva is a free tool. With the help of Canva, you can make any type of custom image. You know what? What is the best part of Canva? You don't need any skill to use Canva. You can make any picture with drag and drop method. Simply open Canva and you can get many templates, ready-made templates. For YouTube thumbnail, this is for poster, this is for animated social media, this is for logo, this is for menu, this is for infographic, flyer. You can get many and many templates here. For suppose I am going to make a Facebook post. Choose any template from here like this. Click on it. After that you are redirected to this workspace. So now you can simply click on the top. You see there are few options. Color, you can change the color from here. Okay, you can crop it, you can flip it. Okay, next is the position. Can change the position, left, right, open, bottom. Okay, if you want to do undo, to go back, this is a button for this. Undo, control plus, click on it, and now you can see, and it's become back to normal. Next is text. You can change the text by typing it. Here we go. You can change the font. Change the size, color, do bold, italic, underline, change the alignment here, change the lowercase and uppercase, add bullets, numbering, increase letter space, line height. You can add effects. And adjust it. As simple as that. This is all about Canva. On the left hand side you can see different menus. On the templates you can get many templates. You can reapply this by double click on it and it is changed by this template. As simple as that. Go to templates and now choose this one. Yeah. So now you can change the picture by dragging. This is a picture photo section. You can get any picture from here like this. You can change it, or you can search here directly. Gym. You can see all the picture related to gym. You can change the picture by dragging. How simple it is. In uploads, you can upload any picture. So this is a my Canva account and you see this is a my uploaded pictures. You can click on uploads and you can upload any picture from your device, from Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram or Dropbox. I'm going to show you. So this is a picture I uploaded. So now you can simply drag this. Next is photo. As I said, you can get many type of photos, but you can see this pro icon here. That means this is a paid image. You have to buy it. Next is elements. You can get many elements like vectors. You can use it and adjust the height, or you can change the color scheme. Everything is changeable. This is a free tool, as I said you. This is a most effective tool for blogging. You can make your custom image for your blog. This is a best tool. If you don't know about Photoshop, this is a best alternative for Photoshop. So you can get many vectors related everything. Okay, the next is text. You can see there is a many type of text style. You can use anyone. If you want to do custom, by clicking on it, add a heading. You can change the color scheme and simply change the position. As simple as that. Double click on it to change text. Yeah, as simple as that. Next is music. You can add music if you want. Next is video. You can also add some videos like this. So this is a video. If you want to make a motion picture, this is for you. Next is background. You can change the background with these options. You can get many background options. You can choose any background. You can simply click on it. It's automatically apply. So how simple it is. So next is folder. You can make folder. It is paid one. Next is more. You can also get the picture from Pexels. Pexel is one of the best website which I am talking about later, and I will show you how you can use Pexels, and you can also use Pexels image in Canva. Go to more and you can see many things. You can directly go to Facebook, Instagram and this type of social media. So this is how you can use Canva. After done with your image, you can see this icon here. Click on it and you can see many options. You can choose any option: PNG, JPG, PDF. I recommend you to go for PNG. This is the best format, and click on download. In front of you we have a picture that we have created on Canva. It is totally free of cost. You don't need to pay a single penny. So what you are waiting for? If you want to make your own custom image, this is one of the best website with unlimited templates and with easy method. You don't need any Photoshop skill, any editing skill. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. I will see you in my next lecture.